Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about the arc lighting and the Built Bright work strobe lights for the rooftops. Shut these off here. I'm going to start off with the arc lighting. This has 26 different flash patterns. So you turn it on with this included switch. And all you have to do is push the button and you get the different light patterns. Heck, it gets anything you need. These are attached by either this permanent mounting bracket that comes with it, or they have magnetic cups on the bottom. They're rubber coated to protect your paint on the roof of the vehicle. These are 60 pounds each, so this light is not going to go anywhere. Installation is easy. The arc lighting one comes with the cigarette lighter installed on there, so you can plug it right in and away you go, or you can hardwire it in if you so choose. This has a 3-year warranty, and the length of the wire is 9.5 feet, so you got plenty of cable to do whatever you need. It doesn't get much easier than this. If you need rooftop lighting, this arc lighting is super easy.